How to fix Medal TV, loggy or choppy clips. So to fix loggy or choppy clips, first thing you can do is to lower the clip quality settings. So at the top of your screen, at the right side of start recording, you'll be able to find the quality of the video that you can actually do for Meadow. So click on it. And then from here, as you can see, you have these options in between high quality, standard, and low quality. So make sure to start with 720p by 30 FPS, which is under standard, and adjust upward only if performance allows. And then after that, another thing you can do is to change the encoder option. So to do that, click on advanced settings under here, and that will take you here. And then in here, as you can see, you'll be able to change this to CPU or GPU. Now, if your GPU supports it, hardware encoding and venc for NVIDIA is usually smoother. And then another thing you can do is to close background application. So open your task manager, and then on your task manager, right click on an app that you want to close and then click on add tasks. Close browsers, Discord, or other heavy apps while recording since Battle competes with your game for system resources. And that is how you can basically fix Medal TV loggy or choppy clips.